Analyze it.
You have 80% of battery backup left.
Ravi. हा पीसीचा ब्राईटनेस एवढा कसं काय वाढला? हा पीसीचा ब्राईटनेस एवढा कसं काय वाढला? हा काय ऐकूच नाही आलं.
80% of battery backup left. Incoming call, pick up the phone. You have 40% of battery backup left.
अरे चुकत्या म्हणे काम कर ना. टाइम दिला ना तुला.
हा अजून जायचं आहे सरांकडं. हां हां हां
याच्यावर का?
हां हां
कधी विचारलं
काल
काय म्हणते?
ते मे ठीक आहे करून दाखव मला.
करून दाखव ना.
दाखवायचं ना दाखवायचं ना. हो ना.
कॅमेरा चालू आहे.
हां literally isn't. Need to calculate the stop loss and take profit.
तर पाणी आणलेलं का होय पाणी हो सर
रवी
पाणी आणले नाही द्या बाबा पाणी Keep an update every 5 minutes.
Also got your rate. 30 minutes. Also got your rate. And 1 hour time frame. Also got yours. Oh my god, it's sprayed. Fucking sprayed. Fucking sprayed. I want to increase the stop loss, hold on. 16. Yeah. $20 is going to get lost.
नको घ्यायचं टेन्शन नको आपल्याला काही लोक अजून बसतील टाईम देऊन नाही सांगतात
My voice will come back. Hey guys, I just received a notification from TradingView about this. Looks like we need to take profit. Yeah, we need to take profit. We need to fucking take profit right there. Fuck it. I'm gonna close this trade right away. Wait a minute. 1:2 we got. 1:2 we got. Close. Jesus. This was only a trade, man. This is fucking crazy. I fucking messed up the whole thing by taking the wrong trade. Lowest point. And this bird. What is this still doing?
डायरेक्ट ऑनलाईन डिझाईनचं कम्प्युटरवरती 5 मिनिटं आधी एकदम हे होता 5 मिनिटं आधी दिले एकदम तुम्ही बसले कम्प्युटरवरती बसले का
हे बाजूला काम तर करीत नाही लोकांना काम करू दे.
कधीची बुकिंग आहे
मी
तुमची?
काय नको करू
त्याला
कधीची बुकिंग?
लवकरच
किती तारखेचं?
लवकर तर कोण जात नाही.
लवकरच
दिलंय ना काल? डिझाईन दिलंय ना?
नाही देणार होतो सरांना म्हणलं एसओबी मध्ये दाखवतो मी करून सर म्हणले
अरे
ठीक
देवा, रामकृष्ण हरी.
सर.
काय खरं.
जात नाहीस ती.
सर
माहिती
सरांना
आहे
आम्ही
का?
डिझाईन द्यायच्या आधीच मी विचारलं की सर ते काम जमत नाही दुसरं काम आहे का मग थोडं बोलून मग आलं परत एसओपी वरती त्यांना म्हणलं एसओपी वरती करतो मी पटकन
मग कशाला लेट आवतात म्हणायचं डिझाईन देतो मी.
नाही माझ्या खिशात होतं डिझाईन मी प्रिंट आउट काढून नेली होती तर सर म्हणले नाही तुला डिझाईन द्यावं लागेल मग लगेच धरा असं होतं मला डिझाईनच द्यायचं होतं मग तेवढं हे झालंच होतं मी रेडी
पण आता येतोय 2 मोबाईलच खेळतोय मॅडम असं विषय.
नाही मोबाईल नाही हे काय प्रिंट आउट काढले आता त्याच्याला द्यायचं आहे ते ओम सोनून येणार
अहो,
आहे
इथं झोपत आहेत पण ते. खुर्च्या
हा,
बसल्या बसल्या.
माहिती.
काही सांगा तर
व्हिडिओ
तुम्ही.
काढत होतो मी.
नाही,
कधी
व्हिडिओ
कधी
नाही काढायचा.
कधी झोपतो मी
नाही का?
हा मग झोप
कधी
लागते
काही रोजच झोपत
आणि झोपल्यानंतर अर झोप आली असं झालं
ते किती पाठ उठून अभ्यास करतात रात्री
5ला अभ्यास करतं जीवन संपलं माझं आता
आमच्यासाठी कामं केलं तर कसं व्हायचं?
तिथं पण नारी लागतं मॅडम. मोठा माणूस
त्यांना तर
आहे.
बिचाऱ्याला बायको सांभाळायची.
बायको सांभाळायची
बायको सांभाळायची.
पुढे जाऊन पोरं सांभाळायला लागणार
करणारच आहे मी.
ते
सगळंच करायचं आहे मला.
सगळंच
मला
करावं
काय
लागणार तुला.
तुझ्या वनी नाही मी.
खरंच
मला
ना?
सगळं येतं का.
हा ना
मग 2 पोरं झाले तरी सांभाळायची ताकद आहे.
मग
4 पोर आहे 2
चार
काय
पोरं बाद झाली तुम्ही.
4 घे काय 4
सर.
पोर करायचे आपले 4.
4
मागं पुढं पाहिजेच नाही मॅडम.
अरे बाब विषयच नाही ना.
गेले खाऊ नका. पण गेले खायला नसतं.
मॉडेल भेटत नाही मग काय भेटतं अर्थात दिसतोय मी लोवर तू माहिती का आता मी $20 40 मध्ये
मला काहीच नको सांगू बरं. तू करत जा तुला तू सक्सेस घेत जा आम्हाला लोक सांगत जाऊ.
पण तरी
काय बस
सुननाच पडेगा
तुम्हाला.
बोर होना पडेगा ये कर लो
इसमें शक्ल साइज 25 की क्यों नहीं?
काय आहे?
तुम्ही कोण करा मग.
चेहरेच आण ना बसायला. चेहरा ना बसायला का देऊ?
झालं थोडं काय घालायचं वेट करतो देऊ शकतो.
हां
पूर्वीचा मेहमान यावी.
झालं का? No.
Lighting out the
This is good. This is number one. Hold on. Beautiful. Looks good. We are not sitting in a low stand. You look at it in a million. After 500 the entry is going to get out. I would have to wait for 1 hour engulfing candle. No, 1 hour candlestick close. It's going to come on 15,000. Waiting for 1 hour candlestick close. Gede kawan. It's not liking Eureka. No.
अरे काम करना जिसका का मोबाइल
अरे वाह एवढी डेंजर गुदगुली अटॅक दुखायला लागले ते फार दुखायला लागले ते एवढं हार्डकोर गुदगुली झाली ती लोक अरे बाप काय होते ते literally red. Fucking literally red. The 1 hour time for 1 minute is bonus. The 1 hour candlestick to close. Don't know anything. I think I should calculate the stop losses. There ended 3.2 euro CAD. What is that? It's a 1.4. 26, 1.4. 22 exactly. That's why I was waiting for 1 hour candlestick was beautiful. I can add the video. My boys will come back at 15:25. So that is what we are looking at. Beautiful, it's gone. It's happening. We are not setting the lowest point, so we can set it. This is literally is a trade which we were looking into. We're getting the break. Now we're getting the breaks. Now we need to wait for retracement. Break, wait for retracement, taking the trade to the side. With break, retracement, angle. Love it. And my boys will come back pretty soon. Hello there. So I just connected this internet to this trading view, and it need to get refreshed because it just stuck in yesterday I have checked it, so it's stuck in the yesterday zone. So let me refresh, Is it refreshing? Oh yeah, I need to keep my phone over here. So brother, we took one trade beautifully, hit the take profit. This is what I'm saying, brother. If I do every single thing correctly now, we would end up, yeah, it's alam. Look at this. No, that's not alam. What you want to shoot? What do you want to see? If we do every single thing correctly, we will be end up having profit. I just didn't saw any loss with this strategy, and I want to see the loss. I really want to see the loss. Okay, just have 5 minutes in our hand. Well, this looks solid. This really looks solid right there. So but the question is, where are we selling? Just a second. 30-minute time frame. Well, it looks good. Yeah, it does looks good, but where are we selling it? We are selling at the. Here's my tool. Where are we selling? We're selling. Yeah, it's not here. It's not the lowest point, but it's kind of lowest point, but it's not a lowest point. So I'm just not interested now. I mean, I know this is going to create one more red candle right there, but I'm just not interested because look at where are we? We are at the lowest point of this move. Like whenever we are above, we buy. Now. Okay, Euro, USD. We have beautifully retraced to this area, which is not an area. It's just sideways. Yeah, I just worst off. So this is also the same thing. We are at the lowest point in the move. In the move, not in the lowest point. Well, I mean, it was looking like it was the lowest point, but it is not. I just don't like it at lowest. Yeah. Well, it is doing one thing which is what we want. I need 1 hour time frame to go here. It's like it's at the highest point, so I'm just not interested to take the buy. I want to take the sell trade. As the DJPY, yeah. Look at this. This looks solid for taking a sell trade right there. What are we wait? What are we waiting for? We're waiting for the retracement. Waiting for retracement. We'll see. Is this going to be our retracement? No, absolutely not. The earlier was correct. This is where we will be retrace or engulfing, and I need that. GBP UD not interested, sideways. Euro JPY it's got bullish, but is it got bullish? Oh shit. It does got bullish right there. We can take the buy trade, can we? It just got bullish right there. No. I mean, no. Doesn't make sense for me. Euro GBP, creating this engulfing, that is awesome. But where are we? We're not the toppest point, we're the lowest point. We can probably consider this. If this looks good. Yeah, well, it looks good, brother. Yeah, it looks good. Let's analyze this. I like this. I really like this trade. So where are we in the move? We are at the point. No, brother, I just don't like it. No, sorry. Whenever we are under, we sell. No. AUD cat. Now we're talking, brother. This is what I want. Now we're talking. We're at the lowest point. This is lower low. This is the lower high. We can bump this. We can take this area to this, and we can do this. We need the retracement to this area of interest. Just look. This is what we want. This is literally is what we want. 30-minute time frame. We created a lower. This looks so much cleaner than the whatever we are earlier looking. So this right there is the lowest point. This is a lower low. This right there is the lower high. Yeah. So this side is lower low. This side is a lower high, and we beauty like this is a trade. I just like this trade. This is literally is it. This is literally it. So this is lower low. This right there is lower high waiting for the retracement. Once that 1 hour candlestick close, there is issue. The 5 minute is going to get bullish. This right there is the 5 minute lower low. Okay, so it is going to the alarm is going to bang again after 10 minutes. So please, 5 minute lower high. So when we are going to have the retracement to the structure to the CMA, the 5 minute is going to get bullish. So we will be waiting for 5 minute to go bearish. Yeah. So this is what we want. So 5 minute to go bearish, retrace to area of interest, sell bearish. This right there is bearish as well. This right there is bearish as well. Is it? When it is going to retrace, it's going to get bullish. So let's type it bullish in advance only. No, actually no, bearish. We're just considering, because whatever we are going to type out over here, it's going to get, we are going to shortlist based on that. So we need to have the retracement to that. Pretty soon it's going to get happen. I like this. AUD CAD. This is a shortlisted trade for right now session. It looks good. This is so cleaner. Retrace, bam. I like it. AUD, Euro odd. This is a higher. I'm still waiting for the retracement to this area. Not looking good. Does 30 if no, this is nothing. AUDJPY, in the other hand, it's shifted bullish, which we could end up. This was a trade I was going to take, but I end up taking the other trade. Doesn't make sense for me. Not like it. GJ. Well, we were waiting for a break. I need a good amount of retracement. Never happens. Never do the trade. USJPY looks good to me as well. Well, we got the break, we got the retracement, we got the candlestick close right there, and now in 30-minute time frame, it's creating this is a lower low in the structure. Structure is a higher high. This is a high. It's just messy. I just don't like the take the trade which is messes. EuroCAD, the same exact trade of AUD CAD. So now this session is all about CAD currencies. So we just need to, we are going to shortlist all the CAD currencies, and we're just going to take the trade which makes sense. So this is the lower high. This right there is the lower low. Sorry. So this is the lower high. This right there is the, this right there, what the fuck I'm talking. So, okay. So now this right there is a lower low. This right there is a lower high. So what are we waiting for? We're waiting for retracement. Yeah, we're waiting for the retracement to the area of interest. Bearish. I mean, can consider this right there. Oh yeah, looks good to me. Okay, so we need that retracement right there as a 5-minute time frame. This right there is a lower low. This right there is the lower high. This right there lower low. When we're going to come, 5 minutes is going to get bullish. It's pretty messy, I like AUD CAD than that. So we're just going to shortlist, and then we're going to more shortlist, and we're just going to take one trade. That is how I'm just considering a high probability setups. So first of all, I'm waiting for retrace to area of interest. Second of all, I'm waiting for 5 minutes to go bearish. We are already bearish, but when it is going to have the retracement to that area of interest, is going to get bullish. Well, 30-minute. Wait. It have rejected that area of interest. I haven't came up over here. There is nothing we can consider over here. Nothing. Yeah, nothing right there. So this is only the area of interest. Eurocad. Okay, so we can say this. Retrace and this. GBP NZD. Let's go with the GBP NZD. I'm changing my camera. GBP NZD sideways, not interested. AUD USD looks good. Does looks good. So this right there. The wait. Before I adjust, I just need to see. Yeah, this looks clean, clean, clean. Not like this. This was not. This was also this was also a trade. We got an engulfing candle. This was also a trade, but it was just not looking clean for me. If it is not clean for me, so sorry, sir. I just don't take the trade. If it is not clean, I just don't take the trade. This right there is a lower low. This right there is the lower high. This is the area of interest we're talking about. And we have candlestick coming to that area of interest. Looks solid. I'm not gonna lie. This looks solid. 1 hour, sorry, 30 minutes. This is right there. Is the lower low? Is it? Is it? This is the lower low. It's nothing. So we come to this. This right there is a lower high. Doesn't matter. What matters is right now we're currently in the lowest point. So we can type it over here as we move. Bearish, B-A-R-I-S, bearish, B-E-A-R-I-S, B-E-A-R-I-S, bearish, daily bearish, 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame right now at this moment. Let me check. Let me just check it out. Guys, you can see, right? This is the lowest point. We candlestick close under that. This is the lowest, lower low, lower high. Currently it's bearish, so we can consider this as bearish. So we have 33 time frame sync. So we need a retrace to area of interest. Sell, looking solid to me. But it's just coming to the point that is it really going to happen? But it's kind of looking sideways to me. Again, how in the world I forgot this important. This is our entry time zone. 5 minute higher low. 5 minute higher low. 5 minute higher. Where the fuck are higher is? Fuck, I can type it over here. 5 minute higher high. I need this 5 minute to go bearish as well. Second, 5 minute to go bearish. Then only then I can take the trade. How in the world I can sell in the market which is a bullish pressure? Lowest point, yeah, this is a higher high. So how in the world is going to get happen? I know it's going to get happen. It's going to come up, create the bullish. This is the higher, this is the higher low. Then we get bearish, retrace, engulfing, boom. This is exactly how it's going to get happen. I think so. Then it's pretty much going to create a doji. We'll keep this in point, but I just see if we are going to take the AUD currency, then this currency, this AUD or what was that? Okay, this was only the AUD CAD looks more cleaner than AUD USD. So this is what I'm talking, brother. This is literally what I'm talking. I just need to shortlist the trades the way it is going to get happen. This right there is, this is it. This, wait a minute, just a second. It haven't created, if this candle close like this, then we have to shift this area of interest to the downside, which is going to make this as the area of interest. So right now we're just waiting for the price to come into this area. Does looks good, but if you about this now, so hold on, we type it over here. I am interested, I shortlist, but still I will be considering, because this is AUD, I will consider AUD this one more than that. Next is this. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Why in the world I haven't took this trade? This is literally a trade. I miss it. Now, wait a minute. Before I consider anything, let me check why. Overall, we were at the highest point. Okay, higher high, higher low. Correct. Then we got the bearish. This is the lower low. This right there is the lower high. Perfectly done. Then this right there is the lower low. 15-minute is the low. Oh, yeah. I mean, yeah. This is lower low. This right there is the lower high. Okay, this right there is lower low. This right there is lower high. But in fact, in the way we have created the higher high, and this right there is the higher low. Those is only reason I haven't took this trade. But the trade was so superly looking good. I mean, we missed it. Fucking missed this. But missing the wrong trade is what we are gonna be working on. So 1 hour was bullish. If 1 hour was bearish, I would end up taking that trade. But 1 hour was bullish. We need at least 2 time frame in sync. Right now, this is also bearish, but 15-minute time frame was also bearish. But we created this higher low, which just turns me off. But it looks beautiful. We got the break. We got the retracement. We got that engulfing candle. In fact, we can look for look at this now. In fact, this is the entry engulfing candle, and this 1 minute is going to get bearish. Look at this. We got the lower low, lower high, entry to the downside. But if I see something which is not looking good, I just don't take the trade. Yeah, I will never give a fuck about this higher low if 1 hour was bearish. But in fact, the 1 hour was bullish. I end up missing this trade. I have to miss this. There is no other option. But it was beautiful trade. Like beautiful. Again, no problem. Once this candlestick closed, then we can sell over here. It is what it is. But this is beautiful. So what I can understand, there is nothing to understand. If there is a higher low, I need to break that. Can't sell in the bullish market. Have to sell in bearish market only. Next is CHF JPY. Sideways. Euro NZD. I mean, yeah. This right there is a higher high. Now. Okay. Where are we first? Looking good to me. Higher high. Low. Bullish. I mean, but bullish retrace engulfing. I mean, yeah, I mean, it's good, but don't like it. Where are we? We are in. Nah, it's fucking messy. No. And the decay. Ooh, we got the retracement. We got it engulfing. We got this. We got this. We got beautiful this. We got engulfing. No engulfing. But well, I like this, the way it happens. This is the lower low. This right there is lower high. Look at this. This is also CAD currency. This is also CAD. This is also CAD. So most of the CAD currency is gonna go down. We just need to short list the highest clean trade, because I mean this is so important to short the highest clean trade. If we short is the lowest clean trade, accidentally, even by accidentally, we end up missing all of the things. And even though we take that trade, it will hitting the stop loss of that trade is going to be very, very, very high probable than hitting the take profit. So this, I will not take the trade and be okay rather than taking the wrong trade and then getting frustrated out. This right, the lower low, this right, there's a lower high, 15-minute time frame. Lower low. Lower high. Looks good. Okay. This is the perfect area of interest. Yeah, brother, we are not even selling like a. Is this lagging? Is this fucking lagging? So we are not even selling at the lowest point of the move. We're selling at a good amount of point. This is it. This is it. This is it. So this right there is the 5-minute lower low. 5-minute lower high. I still believe it's going to come back to this area of interest to create that bearish engulfing candle. Once that happens, we can take the trade to the downside. Yeah, I think so. It's going to be good. Just now it shifted bearish, so it's just going to have the liquidity grab all of the place, and then it's just going to pull to the downside. How I know? How I fucking know? I just know all of this. So this is bearish, bearish, bearish. Waiting for the trace. Retrace to area of interest is what we are actually looking into. So NZD USD, where are we? I mean, we can take this counter trade, but it's so not looking good. There is so much weeks up and down. I would not take this trade at all. So we have successfully shortlisted the trades. Guess what? All of the currencies. This is CAD, this is CAD, this is CAD. So 3 CADs we got and only one AUD USD, which is this is AUD and this is AUD. So if AUD CAD is going to go up, AUD USD is also going to go up, and vice versa. So pretty much we are just shortlisting a same setup, same trade. We just need to choose only one high probable which looks clean setup from this currency. So AUD CAD. Wait a minute. Bearish. This is 30. Now if this is going to come up there, it's going to make the 15-minute bullish, 5-minute bullish. TK will keep this in line. Euro CAD. Well, in Euro CAD, if this comes up, then it's going to keep the 15-minute still bearish. Looks good. And 5-minute is still will be very tightly bearish. Can we just extend this area of interest to more? I mean, we just can't do this. No, we just where? So I like Euro CAD than AUD CAD because when we are going to retrace, we will still be bearish in this stage, but in AUD CAD we'll get bullish. So that's why Euro CAD looks good to me. So now NZD CAD, NZD CAD on the other hand. My palm is spinning. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. It just like got invisible, like flat. Boom. Not spongy now. Alright, this is also bearish. This right there, it's bearish a lot. 30-minute. It's good to me. 15-minute. We got a break. This looks more cleaner than anyone. We just need to wait for engulfing. So NZD CAD I like more. We're completely missing the trade move. NZD CAD like more than AUD CAD. Because look at this. So now because If AUD CAD is going to come up, retrace, it's going to bullish. NZD CAD come up, retrace. We have already retraced. It has already been bearish. So AUD CAD not liking it. AUD USD on the other hand. Well, now it got bullish. We got the retracement. Bullish. So as I exactly said, is happening to the perfection. Okay, so this right there is a 5-minute higher high, 5-minute higher low. So now we need to break and retest. Probably this is go no 5 minutes, right? Yeah, so it's see when it's going it really looks good, and we are like we're selling in a very good position right here. I just need to select a good amount of currency. Okay, so yeah, this does looks good, but this is not that looks good when with the Euro CAD. So I'm just distorted because it has 20%. This has the Euro CAD. I like this. So Euro CAD I like it. Okay, hold on. Euro CAD I like it. Waiting for the retracement, which I don't think so it's gonna get happen. Okay, no problem. I still wait for that. NZD CAD on the other hand, I like Euro CAD more than NZD CAD. NZD CAD looks so well. Yeah, it looks so well. I don't think so it's going to come up there. So, well, what it is, NZD CAD move has already been done. Because if 30-minute candlestick comes up over here, we just cooked up, it's not going to go down right away. So this is NZD CAD just got dismissed. Where in this case Euro CAD, I think so it's also going to get dismissed. Yeah, so take a Euro CAD. I like Euro CAD more than anyone. Let's see AUD CAD once more. If AUD CAD comes up to the area of interest, it's going to get bullish. So just not interested to take this trade. Okay, so AUD CAD is also going to get discarded. AUD USD also get discarded, and ZCAD also get discarded because the move has already been done. It's not going to come up. Even if it's going to come up, it's going to create a new higher high, and we can't take the sell trade when the 5 minute in the higher high position. So right now what I can see over here, 50-minute also going to create the new high. Messy. So only and only currency which I'm actually looking into is Euro CAD. If I get the trade in Euro CAD, we'll take it. If we don't take the trade. That's just low simple. So I'm waiting for the price to come back to this area of interest to take the trade to the downside. This is literally is it. This is right there. Is literally isn't. I'm thinking so. It's pretty much like about to happen. So I need the wick or a touch into this area of interest, and then we can take the sell trade. Alright boys, we'll come back pretty soon. Peace. Hello there. Yeah, we are back again for the next session of our trading, which is 1830 to 1930. So as this is haven't came closer, I'm just not interested. 10 minutes, it's not going to do anything within 10 minutes. So I'm just not interested with this currency. Let's analyze the next currencies. So excluded currencies are this. Let's analyze the next currencies. GBP CAD. Well, as we discussed, it's going to go down, but where are we selling that matters. Doesn't like it. Next is Euro USD. It's complete sideways. I just don't like it. I will be interested once it goes break and read us about this EMA about these things. Next is GBP USD. I mean, I can't take the sell. No, doesn't like it. CAD JPY. Yeah, so now we have turned bullish. So now what I want is to turn bearish, which is what we were looking into. to take the sell trade. We can't buy right here because we are at the toppest point. It's going to happen pretty like 2-3 hours after. Okay, so NZDJPY looks good to me. NZDJPY, exactly what I said in previous video. I'm very much interested if it is going to create an engulfing candle right here. If it create that engulfing candle, that means 30-minute is going. Doesn't like it. Sorry. GBAUD. Yeah. Yang and Yen. Euro JPY. Can't buy. Now. Euro GBP. We are at toppest move in the move. I mean, let's see. Whatever we have said, have it can be done. Can we have the entry right here? Well, in fact, this is an engulfing candle. We can have the entry right here, but look, where are we buying? We are buying at the toppest point of the entire move. I just don't like this. AUD CAD, I'm not interested. AUD CAD, on the other hand, we have beautifully predicted this move, and we were waiting for the price to come back to this area of interest and give me the engulfing candle, which it haven't given the engulfing candle. Well, to take the highest risky trade, we can take this trade on this engulfing candle, but it will goes all of out of our rules. This and that and this and that. If we would end up having some structure right here on 30-minute time frame as well, which we got, let's actually see right here. We got this structure right here, this and this, 1 hour time frame with this. Yeah, this is good amount of this. We got this structure on 30-minute time frame as well. Go on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, we got this structure right here too. We got this. What we will wait for, retracement, and the retracement never happens. We would never take. Wait a minute. We won't be able to do this because it will be this candlestick haven't closed under that. We have to find the area of interest inside this zone only. So this will be the maximum we can go for. Not actually. I'm just learning right now how in the world we can achieve this like this thing. This is not good. I mean, this was good, but this is not touching. Nah. AUD CAD. Not interested enough, and we won't be able to take this trade because we haven't got the retracement to the place we were waiting for. This is at the lowest point. We can sell at the lowest point. Euro odd. Yeah, now we are coming, dear brothers, and I don't want to say. Looks like after 1 hour we'll be having a beautiful trades coming line up. 1 hour higher low. This right there is the area of interest, like this. The fair value gap of this. This looks solid to me. We can pump up this area of interest a little bit upside. This is it. This right there is literally is it. 30-minute higher high. 30-minute higher low. 30-minute higher low. So we got bullish. Hold on. I'm sneezing. I think so. I'm sneezing. This is solid. This is literally is it. This is what we are looking into. 15-minute higher high. 15-minute higher low. 5-minute. I just love this trade. This is the thing we should be. My number one trade. This right there is going to be my number one trade. You say it or you don't say it. I'm going to say this right there is my number one trade. You can't hold me back to make profits from this market right now. If I get this retracement and then engulfing, I'm going to take the trade right here. If I don't care if we going to hit the stop loss or it going to hit the take profit, I just don't fucking care. What I only care that I'm gonna make money. No, I don't come to market to make money, brother. That's the worst thing you can ever do before you even come to market. Because if you came to market to make money, then you cooked. Then no one is going to. You're going to definitely going to do the loss because it is how it works, you know. Yeah, we maxed out the area of interest the way it should be. Can we do that? No, we can't do this. So yeah, perfect. I love this. This is it. This is literally is it. I love it. I just like the way it is looking. Yes, sir. The trade area of interest looking for buy. Number one trade. Next is the UDGPY. That means looks like Euro or AUD having a trade. A beautiful looking beautiful to me. This is look wow. Look at that. What I said. We got in the trades in Euro AUD. Look. We get a trade right here. This right there is a lower low. This right there is a lower high. This is the area of interest. We can talk about this. So, is there any? Yeah, this is a structure. This is literally an area of interest. Oh my god, I love this trade as well. This is it. This is literally is it. Fuck. I like it. I really like it. Like it. Oh my god. Look at that part. Oh. Do you know that song? No? Search it on Google. You will see the things that you have never ever seen. And you will scold me for why you in the world you have told me to search that in public. Shit. This is going to be the clean area of interest. This is the 1 hour EMA. This is the clean area of interest right there. This is it. And I love it. I just love it. This is also looking good to me. Wow. I love it. I fucking love it. This right there is a lower low. Now we have to do the fastest possible. Lower high. 5 minutes also beer. This right there. Okay, I repeated a lot of time. It's also going to 1 minute EM, and this is my number one trade as well. I just don't know, but every single thing, I'm liking it like anything. So retest area of interest. I just love this trade as well. I'm not gonna lie. Next is GJ. Look at this. This is like selling at the lowest point. Whenever we are above, we buy. Nah, this looks good. Like boom, fucking boom. Fucking boom. So USDPY is also going to pump to the GM side. Looks like that because we got the retrace, we got a dozy. It's a bit messy. We're creating the higher highs and higher lows in the daily time frame. Okay, we can ignore that if you wanted to. But if you go on the 15-minute time frame, we need to have the 15-minute to get bearish. Well, 15 minutes is bearish, but it's also creating the higher and higher low. We need a break, retesting, break under this two line. So it has a lot more work. It's AUD JPY is more better than USDPY. Fuck off. Next is EuroCAD. Okay, so EuroCAD have came to the area of interest the way we wanted to, but now it came and candlestick closed, so I need to wait for one hour candlestick to close on this area of interest as well, which I have to wait. It can't do it. Well, it looks solid. It looks solid. It looks solid. It looks solid, sir. It looks solid. It does look solid. So 15 minutes is also this looks solid as well. Which trades I'm going to take? So no, it's bullish. No, sir. Look at this. No, this is a cat. Nothing. Yeah, this is euro. This is euro. Euro is going to go down. I will end up taking euro or it's more looking clean. Oh, we're looking for buy. And this is euro cat. We're looking for sell. I can take this trade. Doge, you need to wait for Doge. GBNZD, nah. AUDUSD. Well, it looks good. This is a lower low. This is the lower high. This right there is the area. Oh, it looks brilliant. I'm predicting this trade from here. I told it is going to break, retest, done. This is literally is it. You can see my videos. I have. Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't tell anyone. This is beautiful trade. Let's keep this in pipeline. Let's keep this in pipeline. Why in the world all the trades, all the high probable trades come in at the same point? I just can't take all the trades. I just only can take the only one high probable trade. Oh my god. Ooh. So 1 hour time frame. It's a beautiful fair value gap of the 1 hour time frame. 30-minute time frame. This is it. 15-minute time frame. This is it. 5-minute time frame. This is not as. But this is beautiful. Like beautiful. Then we have to do the fastest fast. For 5-minute lower low, 5-minute lower high. So bearish. This is also bearish. BRISH having a 30. So we wait for 5 minutes. Retrace for 5 minutes to go bearish. No, retrace to area of interest and 5-minute engulfing. 5-minute engulfing candle. So beautiful. AUD USD. Is that look at this AUD JPY and AUD USD. We got AUD and Euro currencies a lot more in this session. USD CAD. It's a New York session, man. It's a New York session. Come on, cheer for me. I'm predicting this market to perfection. Do you even believe what information I have? How much powerful I am right now? I can literally control the $1 trillion market. This is the higher this is the higher low. And where are we buying? We're buying at these doesn't look good. I mean, it looks good, but it's just simple. Is this is also euro? Is this looks good? Break retest. That is beautiful structure. Or this is euro NZT. Nah, it's like sorry. AUD NZD close under. Yeah, but this is what I said, brother. This is not going to go up. Look at this whenever we're under. Like, just see, just see. I'm predicting the $1 trillion market. It's not $1 million. It is going to go down. I know this, but I just can't take the trade. Sorry. We have beautiful AUD JPY lining up. This is also AUD. So I will end up taking a very high probable trade rather than taking the low probable trade. Okay, so this is NZD CAD. NZD CAD. What do you say? NZD CAD. NZD CAD. NZD CAD. Well, it doesn't look good to me. No, absolutely not. 5 minute will get bullish. Then why in the world we were waiting for? It's sideways. No. No means no. I just got the we have successfully shortlisted the trades. I mean, we have successfully shortlisted the trade. Now we have to shortlist the hyperbole trade. So now this is the euro. This is the euro. This is the euro. So this is euro AUD. So I like this trade. Yeah, let's do this AUD JPY. Actually, let's actually come like this, and then we will this shortlist the trade. So coming into picture, AUD JPY. It's coming to the retracement. Beautifully away. Beautiful this previous structure area. Beautiful this. Now we just wait for the 5 minute. Beautiful. I don't need to wait for 5 minute engulfing candle. If we get the engulfing candle, ding, 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 we will be taking the trade to downside. We will be also need 1 minute time frame to go bearish. This is going to create a doji on the 5 minute time frame when this happens, and then it is going to get bearish. We'll create a B like this is it. AUD JPY, I like it. AUD USD on the other hand, before we do, where are we? Like in AUD USD, look at this, and AUD JPY. Look how clean AUD JPY looks, and also AUD JPY 1 hour EMA is also is there. In fact, 1 hour EMA in AUD USD so far doesn't like it. If we go on a 30-minute time frame, when it is retracing it just so far from this previous structure area in the AUD JPY, we are on the previous structure. I like this.
You have 80% of battery backup left.
Just want to do one more confirmation on 15-minute time frame when it retraces it just like on in AUD JPY, and when it just retraces right there. I love it. So just fuck off. It's like wow. What the fuck I'm doing right there in the fucking camera? I'm just getting out of my mind. You guys go, yeah, this is when it retraces to this structure. It's not retracing previous structure area. There is no EMA coming into picture. In a UDJPY, we retrace the same thing. Okay, it's same. It's so not good. Okay. The only thing which is going to turn me off. Okay, let's do this. AUDJPY. We can consider this. Yeah, 1, 2, and we need to consider third. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4. I love it. I just love this trade. So you need to wait for 5 minute engulfing candle. This is going to create the doji. But I told you. I fucking told you. It haven't created the higher low. That is the issue. Okay, AUD JPY is in my pipeline. AUD USD is not. Simple as that. Because it just doesn't look good and doesn't look clean, because 1 hour, as we discussed, and it's going to come so far from the 1 hour previous structure area. Well, on the AUD JPY, we are on the previous structure area. We are on the EMA. This looks more common. This is common sense. What looks more cleaner? This has more points to add up than this. So I just love this AUD JPY. So now wait a minute. AUD JPY, we came up to this area of interest. Now I have to type it. That wait for 5 minute engulfing. That means we just only have 5 minute engulfing. So this is only what I want to take the trade to the downside. Euro odd. Euro odd looks good to me as well. It's so much cleaner trade, you know. It's the same thing. Oh, we are taking the same trade. Look at it. If AUD JPY is going to go up, Euro odd is going to go down. So same, like this is a confirmation from our market. Look at this. This is literally a confirmation from the market. Look at, because Euro odd, we are looking for buying to the upside, and AUD JPY are looking for selling to the upside. Well, this is inversely correlated. That means if Euro odd is going to go up, AUD JPY is going to go down. And in fact, we are looking for selling in AUD JPY. That means we have successfully confirmed the trade as well. This is nearly, I can literally guarantee that this is 100% probability of it is going to go to the downside. 100%. If you give me an engulfing candle to the downside, it's 100% it's going to go to the downside. 100%. Well, Euro odd, waiting for retracement. We'll see how it goes. So now AUD JPY and Euro odd I need to add in my system. Pata, 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 ta, 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 ta. I do. And now it is a AUDJPY. I'm not gonna lie. AUDJPY. Enter. I have to wake up or what? Tracking shares at 640. It's 1840 right now. Yeah, brother, we got the candlestick closing engulfing. No, upside. So now we just wait for price to close under this. This is it. If this close under this, that means it's also going to. Is this going to create the 1 minute time frame go push? No, it is not. But if it like do this, and then push to downside, it is beautiful. We got the 1 minute EMA as well. I really like this trade. Alright, so we'll keep this in loop. AUDJPY, yeah, we were over here. We got the AUDJPY right here. Then this is the templates. Mac. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. Oh yeah, the spreads. I hate the spreads. And then Euro odd. So Euro odd. Euro AUD. Enter na kaka. Euro odd. Kidhar hai tu? Euro odd. Ding, ding, ding. Whatever we get, we will take the trade. So Euro odd and AUDJPY. Rest are the currencies. I'm going to close it. Kilos. And then this is going to be closed as well. Just wrong value. Just getting ready. 3.5. We're going to risk $20 in this thing. Are Tata. Oh no, 100% brother. 100%. So this is also the going to risk 100%. 3.5. 10 point pass, 3.5, 5.10, 10. Sure, looking for shorts. We just need to add the stop loss right there, and we'll get whatever we want. You know, the lot size. Instant lot size calculations like this. AUDJPY looks like it's coming down. Is it? It is not. Well, in fact, I wanted to add this 1 minute higher high. 1 minute higher high. This is so important than you ever think. This lines which I'm adding right now is like making or breaking the things. This is the higher high. Is this the higher low? No, this is not the higher low. Coming back. This right there is the higher low. 1 minute higher low. Okay. You probably like, what the fuck, what they just mad or what? But I'm mad. Who gives a fuck? Who gives a shit? I'm mad. I am mad. Who gives a shit? You roared. Okay. So now we just need to monitor at every 5 minutes. We need two things. First, an engulfing candle on the 5 minute time frame. Second, I need a 1 minute to go bearish. That's it. Only two things. And I have make this thing ready to implement. We'll also keep this in loop. Just if the software is like stuck, I just don't want to miss the opportunity. So I just so we pretty much getting the engulfing candle. I'm missing something. I am right now missing something. Something in the world I should be not missing. Hold on. Ta-da-na. What the fuck? This one guy has given me this message. Don't tell me you using the price action strategy to do all of these things. You don't even know he's saying that. You don't even know this and that. Oh yeah, the spreads. Fuck off. Fuck that guy. Spreads. What is spreads, huh? Spreads is more important than you ever think. AUDJPY. Let me just prepare the system right now in my front in my phone. AUD JPY. I'm just going to. I just want to be ready. That's what I'm talking about. So I am adding the these currencies into my checklist. Sorry, watch list. And euro odd, euro AUD. Whatever trades I get, I will take it. Either AUD JPY or euro odd. So we have a candlestick close like an engulfing. If this candlestick close like this, I'm still will be not interested. I need a blue candle. Like this looks like this is going to happen. It's going to create the blue candle, going to touch the CMA, and then it's going to create the red candle. This makes more sense because why? Because when it goes up, the 1 minute time frame is also going to create the new high. It's also going to create a new high, which means if that happens, then we can get bearish. Right now, if it's going to come now, it's just not going to get bearish. Like why in the world? How in the world is going to get bearish? Like fuck off. Oh, euro odd and AUD JPY. So I have to define the stop loss right now in advance only, with added spreads. Short. In this thing, this will be my stop loss. 5 minute time frame. This is the low. This is the highest point of the week right there. Let me just confirm. This is lower. This is a lower high. Already tracked. This is the highest week. Okay. So now AUD JPY and euro odd. AUD JPY and euro odd. Euro CAD. Who the fuck euro CAD games? AUD JPY. We're just talking about AUD JPY. So we have 1 pip in this thing. Let me check it with the chat GPT. Chat GPT. So 14 points is 1.4 pips. 14 points is 1.4 pips. So right now I can see 7 points or 10 points in AUD JPY. So we need to add. It's now 12. Let's add 1 point. Let's add 2 pips right there. So to get out from the spread thing. 6.8, 7.8, 8.8. 8.8, and this is so far. I mean, it has to be. There's no other option we have. And this is going to be a 1:1 take profit. Aha. Something is cooking. Okay, so we'll add the stop loss right away. AUD JPY. Which is see, this is the intro I was so normally doing, because I was doing the swing trading, but now this is the intraday. I need to be ready because I have missed the trade because I was not ready. Best. Let me check the look at this. Is exactly what is happening. It's going to create the blue candle. It has to fucking do that. Stop loss 114.076. 114.076. It's a short sell. AUD JPY. AUD JPY. Perfecto. Don't say it's lagging. Don't fucking say it's lagging, huh? Next is euro odd. Well, it need to be loaded. It got loaded. Okay, so this is the lowest point of the move. It's in euro odd. How much pips are there? That's why I took the phone and I keep euro odd 1.3, 110. So actually, let's add 2 pips into that to be this. Like I have 11, 12, 13. So 13. How much it was? 11.7, 13.7. It should be the last this. So this right there is going to be our entry. This right there is going to be stop loss. The entry is not confirmed yet, but the stop loss is going to be stop loss is going to be confirmed. Euro odd. In the other hand, this right there. Oh no, this right there. Best 16052 is going to be our stop loss, and and we're looking for long. When the time is good, like this is so simple. I have done. See. If I let's imagine if I just got the and that's exactly what I said. Fucking exactly what I said. This is exactly what I said, brother. We're going to close like a blue candle, and now I can get like not 100%. 1 million, like 1 million is so short. 1 billion is also short. 1 trillion% at the 1 minute time frame have created a new high. Look at this. If you go on the 1 minute time frame, it have created a new high. So now it is going to be now. This is going to be beautifully new higher high. This right there is going to be beautifully new higher low, and when it is going to go bearish like this, it's going to be under the EMA, under this, and it's also going to be bearish, and also we will be having the beautiful 5 minute engulfing candle. This shit is so real, and my Mac is like getting out from this. I want this bearish candle before it, without creating the new high on the 5 minute time frame. Because if it creates a new high, then there will be issue. Then we won't be able to have any trading session in this. I think so, as per the things. Yeah, it's creating new high. Not liking it. But Euro odd, it's coming. It's coming. Let it come. Let it fucking come to my area, huh? 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 Come. So now, yeah, we was talking about like, let's say we came over here and we got the engulfing. So this is intraday. It's moved. This should move like this. Like you can't even miss a 1 second. So if we got an engulfing, I will just see over here. Oh, 0.15. I will just type in this lot size, this position size into my phone. 0.15 and enter. That's it. No need to calculate. Oh, this is it. This is that, and now every single thing has already been calculated right here. You just need to type the number. Now the competition right here is we don't need the candlestick close above this line within 2 minutes. If that happens, then there is no trade right here. Then it's just going to be like messed up. So this is literally is it. I've become a god of market again. I have to edit the videos, man. Oh my god, it's now 7 o'clock. Don't say this. It's 7 o'clock. Ding 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 ding. Thermacol. You know what, guys? To be to be really honest with you, just want to say I cracked the code of the market. Like I really have cracked the code of the market. I was not trading like this, yeah. I was taking a trade when this candlestick closed like this. I would never end up waiting for the retracement and never end up waiting for that 1 hour engulfing or 1 minute engulfing, whatever engulfing ever. That's why I was like not looking good into the intraday. So 1 minute is remaining. We just need to wait for this is this candlestick, if this candlestick close above this, then we need to wait for whole shift of structure. I need a full time frame should go bearish on the 5 minute time frame. Well, in fact, Euro odd, it's coming to our it's coming on, it's coming on. We need to use this opportunity. I don't think so. If USJPY is going to go up, Euro odd is also going to go up. It doesn't even make sense. Sorry, it's going to go down. If we buy the falling knife, our hand will get blooded, red blood. But if we don't, then something can be happen. Okay, boys. No, wait. Let's just make it confirmation. 13, 12, 11. I just don't want this candle to close above this line. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding ding ding. It candlestick close. And we created the full bullish 5-minute higher high. This right there is 5-minute higher low. So now I need the whole 5-minute to go bearish. 5-minute to go bearish. So now every 5 minutes we have to monitor this. That's all we can do. I need to delete this. I know I can delete this. Delete ho ja sim. The fuck? Delete. Euro R. It came. I need this touch to this touch to this area, and then we'll be interested. Now we'll be coming back when I will come back when I will be taking entry if there is an entry. Until that I will just edit the videos because there is like the videos are getting piled up, and if I don't organize then it will end up messing up every single thing. So I have to do this. Signing off. Okay boys, there is a trade coming now. So we have a candlestick close above this candle. No engulfing, no trade. And IUD JPY. No bearish. No trade. This is the higher high. No trade. So we'll keep this in loop. Euro art. Look at this. That is why I want an engulfing candle. There is no engulfing candle. If this close like a doji and then create the engulfing candle, I'm interested. There is no. This is a bug. Okay, this is something is issue with this. Let me just confirm with 5-minute time frame. We are in 5-minute time frame. This is the red candle. This is a blue candle. Haven't closed above the red. No engulfing. No trade. Okay, so AUD GPY this shortlisted. So now we have to do the last trading analysis for the session, which is man, this looks solid. Just create a new high. 30 minute is 50 minutes. I mean, kinda look good. This is the lower low. This is the lower high. If this close above that, then this will be the area of interest to take the trade. 30 minute. This is the lower low. This right there is 30 minute lower high. How much time we have? 7 minutes. So 30 minute is also 30 minute is bearish. Well, 15 minute got bullish. Will be get bullish. This is the higher high. This is the higher low. Well, 15 and 30 minute is bullish. Then we can take the trade by just waiting. Yeah, this looks solid. So this right there is the bullish. This is the 5-minute higher high, 5-minute higher low. Good amount of trade. So I need to type it over here. Every single thing is depend on how you type. This is bullish, this is bearish, this is bullish. We have 20% interest, the area of interest we're looking for buy. I like it. Let's shortlist this trade. GB CAD will wait. Yeah, now it is happening. Now it is breaking up. Well, I'm not taking it straight. Look at this. This is sideways now. No means no. Well, we are having the break about this. Good. This can have this as an area of interest. When this will be bullish. This is the high high. No trade. No. Okay, still not interested in this. And I'm doing this fast as possible so that I don't miss the things. What the fuck it is doing? Oh. Uh, Absolutely not. Euro JPY. Mm, no, not buying at top is top. Sorry. Again, not going to do that mistake. Ah, this looks solid. Euro GBP. Beautiful. It's coming under. This is exact. Oh my god. This is exact same trade I have took in the morning, which end up in the profit. Let's go and see. I'm creating. I'm literally creating that playlist for every single day trading. 1 hour lower low, 1 hour lower high. This looks beautiful. This is what I was talking. Whenever we are under, we sell. We can't buy right here. Man, this looks solid. Okay. This Euro GBP, just let me shortlist this trade. Euro art is saying that it is getting bullish. Sorry, engulfing candle. No engulfing candle. Let me just delete all of this. Alarms. Delete, please. No, man, this is not getting deleted. I have to delete from, or else it will just blow my phone. Okay, it deleted. Well, it deleted, but then why it haven't refreshed over here? It haven't created the engulfing candle, so sorry, not interested. Well, Euro GBP, we were looking into Euro GBP. This is it. This is it. Fuck. 26 4 minutes are remaining. Bearish. I have to do it fast. This is it. This is the lower high. Just like this trade. I love this trade, Lower low. This is also bearish. Just copying pasting this. This needs to be typed in, okay? That's right. We can understand what the actual market scenario is. This exact same trade, brother. Just delete all of this. This is 15-minute lower high. 15-minute lower low. We have turned bearish. Lower low. 5-minute. Yeah, this is beautiful. We're going to make a solid money right here. 5-minute. I don't care if you hit the stop loss. I'm just caring because I'm not caring at all. I'm just caring about this trade. 5-minute. Now we just got the breaks. Now we need to wait for retracement to take the trade to the downside. Beautiful. Is beautiful. It is beautiful. 1 minute time frame. We need to add this 1 minute lower high, lower low. 1 minute lower low. This right there is a 1 minute lower high. When we're going to have the retracement, it's going to get bullish and then it's going to get bearish. It is going to create the 5-minute engulfing candle. Same shit. This is the lowest low. This is going to be a number one trade. This is pumping to downside because it's closing, right? So just attracting the sellers. Fucking love this. Love this trade. I love this trade right there. Can we extend to this? Yes, sir. We can. Yeah, we can even extend more to this structure. Yes. 15 minutes. We can. Nah, this is so long. Yeah, this structure needs to get include. Even we have 15 minute EMA. This is going to be. This is my number one trade, brother. This week coming to this. Crazy. Euro GBP, my trade. A UD CAD looks beautiful. We retrace, created the lower high. Small. This right. What is happening to the market? Market is giving me a lot more opportunities now. But 15 minute is. No, there is no bullish. 5-minute is bullish, which I want to have. 5-minute. This is the higher low. I want 5-minute to go bearish. 5-minute higher low. 5-minute higher. Certainly crazy. 5-minute to go bearish. We already have retrace to area of interest. 5 minutes to go bearish. I just need 5 minutes to go bearish. Bearish, break, retest, taking the trade to downside. This is what I want over here. If we get, we get. If we don't, we don't. Simple as that. Like this. Euro odd. Well, no engulfing, not gonna take the trade. Yeah, look at this. This is why I don't take the trade, and I won't take the trade because I don't have an engulfing. So now, if I get an engulfing, we'll see. Over here, we'll type it. 5 minute engulfing.
It's 19:30.
But if this candlestick close now, if this candlestick close like this, no, I'm just not interested now. I need a doji, so excluded. Euro are excluded. Sorry. AUD JPY. What the fuck is this? Well, it looks good too. Retracement. Yeah, it does looks good. But no, I don't like it. GJ, well, it comes up again. I don't like it. Oh, we got an engulfing candle right here. Solid. We got this as the highest point. This got bearish. 1 minute, 1 hour. This is it. This is also it. This is 1 hour lower low. This is 1 hour lower high. We got the retrace to this area of interest. 30-minute time frame. We just go on 30-minute time frame. What the fuck? Yeah, this doesn't matter. This got bearish. This is the lower low. Lower low. This right there is the lower high. Lower high, we got the retracement. Now we are pumping to downside, but this is created a higher high. This is the higher low inside that lower low, lower high. Doesn't matter. If 1 hour time frame is bearish, we can consider that. This right there is the lower low of 15-minute time frame. Because we have closed under this. This is lower low. This is the lower high. 15-minute time frame. This is a lower high. 31. Sorry, 31. Okay. So we got shifter structure. Beautiful EMA. This is it. The higher high, lower low. We need to wait for 5-minute engulfing candle. That is literally it. We're at a position to take the trade, but I just need that engulfing candle to take the trade. 5-minute lower high. And we are pretty much approaching to that. Now I just need to finish 5-minute engulfing candle. We bearish. We also here bearish. So we got. Yeah, we are having that engulfing candle now. Yeah, brother, this looks solid. We'll touch this. We have shortlisted trade, Euro CAD. I have to do it faster, man. Not interested. GBP NZD, no. AUD USD. What? No. USD CAD. Well, no. Imagine if I were holding this trade. If it would grown $20 into nearly $100. No. Euro NZD. No. AUD NZD, huh? 30-minute. No. I mean, it has a lot more work to do. NZD CAD, we were waiting for retracement. Has happened exactly what I said. Wait a minute. 1 hour. How it closed? It closed like that. 15-minute doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't look good. NZUSD, no. So we have successfully shortlisted the trade. So now we have to re-shortlist the trades from that. GBP CAD. Wait. This is both are the CAD. This is GBP opposite. This is USD JPY. USD JPY. No, GBP CAD. This got bullish. This is the higher high. We have to do it fast. We just have like 2-3 minutes in our hand. Higher low. This is the bullish. Higher high. I will miss the trade happily, but I will never miss to do this. Change this. Update this. This is the higher. This is the higher low. Hold on. This EMA must get included. This EMA must get included. So this is going to be the area of interest. This is going to be in the area of interest. 1 hour. This right there is going to be an area of interest. 1 hour. We sell above, we buy. Okay, we have approaching to this area of interest. So now we just need 5 minutes to create an engulfing candle. Just 5 minutes to create an engulfing candle. 5 minute engulfing, which daily is also bullish. We got everything. We got GB CAD, I like it. AUD CAD, well, we retrace to this area. Wait a minute, where are we selling? We are selling good. I like this. GB CAD, wait a minute, we are selling this and we are buying this. There is an issue right here. Something is somewhere wrong is over here. So this is AUD CAD. This looks so good and high probable. GB CAD also looks good and high probable. So there is a mismatch over here. That means it's pretty low probable. If we get break retest, we'll take this. I'm just not able to define which one I should keep. So this is pretty much sideways zone. Okay, to be honest, this is pretty much sideways zone. This is like a pull down zone. This is also having the 1 hour EMA. This is like nothing. No, I don't like this. AUD CAD. I have shortlisted AUD CAD. Euro GBP. Wait. AUD CAD. What we are waiting for over here? 5 minutes to go bearish and retrace. Right? It's gonna take time. AUD CAD. Come on. Euro GBP. This is what it is. This is exact same trade I have took in morning. Have the profit. Again, we are getting the exact same trade. If you don't believe me, don't believe me. Who forcing you? So this is the lower low. I like it. This is a good trade, like very high probable trade. So we now we're waiting for the retracement. Yeah, this is so much cleaner than anything. Look at this versus GB CAD. It's messy. Yeah, look at this is sideways. No. Euro GBP, I just like this trade. Look at this. So clean. So now what we are waiting for, we need the price to wick into this and then create an engulfing. That is what I am waiting for. Can we take this area of interest a bit down? Let's see. This is the structure. I mean, yeah, we can have this over here. We're maxed out. Yeah. We can take this till here. Till here. 15 minutes. Can we extend more? Yeah, we can little bit extend more. No. We are considering this EMA, right? EMA and structure. So I will consider this structure high probable. I want to take this till here, but then it will be like so much closer to that area of that price, and then it will be not that good. And certainly we can do this. So actually take this zone as well. This structure I took. That means we have took this previous structure area. 1 hour we took this. बस से जाएगा. There will be internet issue, but no problem. We're good. We're always good. So this is the, again, this is lower low, this and that. 5 minute time for, yeah, beautiful. This is this is exact what we want. Structure. 5 minute structure we are also include. This is also we include, EMA also include. 30 minute, this structure, even, I mean, yeah. This exact, like ever we consider, and look at this. Now we have also considered this. This is exact. I like this. This is the perfect area of interest. Now what we're waiting for? We just wait for 5 minutes to come and then create an engulfing candle. So we need to like more 10 minutes, and then if we create an engulfing, we're done with taking this trade. But before we create an engulfing, I need this price to weak into that, weak into this area. AUD CAD need the whole break retest. I want to understand when it breaks so that I will just don't have added either a breakup, breakdown. Need to understand this. So I, even if it's going to create an engulfing candle right here, I can't take the trade until and unless it just don't come up till here. That's a thing. Next is, what is GBP CAD? Yeah, it looks good, but I got more good. USD JPY. You get so much good opportunities right here. So much good opportunity. Now this is pretty crazy. Look at this. Now this is the higher. This is the higher low. This is bit sideways. Look at this is. Look at this now. Which one you will choose? A sideways trade which has pretty messy things, or a beautiful clean break retest and engulfing trade? Which one you will choose? I will choose this. So I don't like this. I don't want to get messed up and then rethink and this and that and this and that. Who don't, who like, no. So AUD CAD, I'm shortlisting AUD CAD and Euro GBP for this currency. Let me. So now we just have how much, like over here maximum, over here it's going to take time. 5-10 minutes for break, 5-10 minutes for retracement, 5-10 minutes for engulfing. Pretty much, if that took 5-10 minutes, it's going to close like a dozy. If it's closed like a dozy, we can take the sell trade to the downside. Next is Euro GBP. When it's going to get happen? It's pretty much going to get happen within 5-10 minutes. So Euro GBP is going to be on top of the AUD CAD. So now we need to add this Euro GBP and AUD CAD in our system so that we can instantly execute the trades. Euro GBP, EUR GBP, Euro GBP right here. Chart. Oh, damn. What did I did? View, market watch. Okay. What the fuck I did now? What did I even did? Okay, trading symbols, details. Oh man, I think I messed up something. View, market watch. I can get out from this. Oh, I think I got it. Yeah. Away symbols. What it is? Euro GBP, right? Euro GBP. Chart window. Okay, this is the, now we can close the Euro odd and AUD CAD. You need to have the AUD CAD right there. AUD CAD. Do we have? No. Add it then. AUD CAD. This chart window. Beautiful. Now rest of all the things should get hidden. Hide all. So now we're going to implement our one instant lot size calculator so that it will calculate the lot size seamlessly without we wasting our time. Euro GBP we're looking for short, AUD CAD we're looking for longs. Is it? We're looking for sell on both sides. Cool. Okay, cool. Short and short. Perfect. So now AUD, first we'll do Euro GBP. as the stop loss is all I think so it's constant because this is the highest point. Entry I don't care, but right now we can calculate the stop loss. I just want to minimize all of the works. When it create engulfing, I just need to like type the number and that's it. Euro GBP, how much spreads we have? Need to have it. So euro odd, which we have excluded, let's see what has happened with that. Can you able to see? It's blurry. How about this? Well,
It's 1945.
it created that engulfing candle. But it is not valid engulfing. I only know this. You, oh yeah, So Euro GBP, wasting my time. EUR GBP. Look at how seamlessly it will be when I'm in front of my laptop. There is no mistakes. There is nothing. AUD CAD and Euro GBP. So now I have to delete all of this. Euro GBP. Okay. So now we need to add 9 and 12. So we need to add 2 pips into this. 5, 6, 7 for spreads. It's going so up. There is no other option here. Shit happened. Actual stop is going to be this. Just because of the spreads. 4, 5, 6. Still it's so up. And whole messed up the risk reward ratio. Okay, no problem. So this is going to be 1:2. Okay, so we'll type the stop loss Euro GBP in this system. Euro GBP paste 3.5 commission 3.5 risking the 100%. So at instant we can get the lot size. Like no need to calculate, no need to type, no need to do this and that. Just type the lot size and click the enter. I just like wanted to make it simple as that, so that we can execute the trade. This is intraday trading we're talking about. This is lagging. This is lagging. This right there shouldn't be lag. This is a Mac. Yeah, this is Mac. Look at the battery is like going so fast. Just because I'm recording. If this break, if this retest, it's gonna create an engulfing candle. So until that, this is going to be the stop loss. This is the highest point, 7.7 plus added 2 pips, 7, 8, 9. 8, 9, 9.7, right? Yeah. Do not lag. It's my order to you. AUD CAD, adding the stop loss. Best 3.5 commission, 3.5 lot size, commission. Wait, I don't have to take profit. No. 0. No take profit, sir. Yeah, no take profit. Arey, who keeps the take profit right here? Okay, forget about that. Stop loss. Add the stop loss right here. Stop loss is this. We're risking the 100% of this amount. $20, 3.5 instant invalid take profit. I know sir, because I don't want to calculate take profit. 0.33. Okay, so you want take profit, take this. No, take profit is going to be this right there. Take profit is this. Take profit is this. AUD CAD, right? AUD CAD. What the fuck happens? You're getting short, right? Something is wrong right here. This is stop loss 596. 596. If I do this and if I click at this, click and delete, can we? No. Thank you. So 596 is our stop loss. This is going to be 596 stop loss. Euro GBP. Okay, my attention was not there. It should be hitting this every single 5 minutes, or else, oh no, I need this first week into this, so do not matter. Please don't get hang. Please. Okay, 596 is the stop loss of this. Now Euro GBP, at least I want to check once more. I catch you. Do not hang. 333 Euro GBP. Stop loss is going to be 333. Perfecto 3.5. 100%. Beautiful. We're getting lot size instantly. Correcto. So now I will come back after it does weak into this and then engulfing, and this as well. It's shifted bearish, and then this. I need all of this happens within 8:30. If it goes above 8:30, trading window is closed. So this is literally it. Signing off. Peace. We'll come back. Look at this. Well, I was thinking that Euro GBP is going to be my number one trade, where we just need to wait for an engulfing candle. Well, it looks like we don't get an engulfing candle. Don't take the trade. Avoided a loss. Fucking thing. So we have beautifully, if not awesomely, avoided a loss right here. Well, there will be no loss because we haven't took the trade. So bullshit. So I will just not take the trade right here. So because it's now getting bullish. So only one trade is coming in line is AUD CAD, and we just have like 3 minutes to take the decision. Should I? Should we not? Should we take this trade or should we not? Because we were waiting for an engulfing. We got the beautiful break, beautiful retracement, and now beautiful engulfing candle is coming up. So now we just have only 3 minutes in our hand. Now 2 minutes, 23, 24, 25. Okay, no problem. First of all, wait. Where are we selling? Are we selling at the lowest point? No. Are we selling at a good point? The answer is yes. Okay. First thing is solved. Where are we? We came with a trace. We created the lower high. That is most important. We created the lower high. If this candlestick haven't closed right here, I would end up waiting for doji. So we created that lower high. That means we can enter into this trade. Well, 30-minute half came, created that beautiful engulfing. Now we have retesting to take the trade to downside. I'm ready to enter in this trade. We have beautifully created low, lower high, lower low. Well, it haven't closed above this, so it haven't created that higher high. So I'm okay with this. Beautiful. I just love this. Beautiful push. Oh my god, only 1 minute. Chillax. 5 minute lower low, 5 minute lower high. Beautifully creating that engulfing candle. 1 minute time frame is 1 minute time frame got beautifully lower low, beautifully lower high. Certainly, if not mustali, I like this trade. So wait a minute. This is our stop loss. This is exactly what our stop loss is going to be. This is going to be our entry. Stop loss AUD CAD 596. AUD CAD 596. Beautiful 0.39. Enter. I mean, I'm literally taking this. What is AUD CAD, right? New order 0.37. Ho 0.37. 0.37. Before I take the trade, engulfing candle close. We still bearish. Perfectly done. 3 AUD CAD. Done. Ah! Took the sell trade. So now I have to, first of all, I have to add the fucking stop loss as fast as possible. AUD CAD. I'm adding the stop loss from this. But can look at this. The push. Look at that. Push, huh? Relax, brother. This is AUD CAD. This right there is a AUD CAD. Okay, how much we risked? We reached 18.33. Okay, now you're ringing, huh? Delete. I'm okay to lose this trade. In fact, I want to lose this trade to make me understand what goes wrong, so that I will not repeat that again, which means I will get more good in trading if this trade hit the stop loss. I want to get good in trading. I want this trade to hit the top loss, motherfucker. So in this trade we have risks $18.38. In that $18.38, how much? 18.38 times plus how much will lot size we took? 0.37 times 7s are okay, 0.37 lot size times 7s are 2.59. Well, in fact 2.59 plus 18.38 plus 18.38, oh no, 18.38 is 20.97. It is exact position. This is beautiful. I love the software which we have using for calculating lot size. Beautiful. There is an issue, I think so, that spreads are doesn't looks good to me. The spread thing, can you able to see? Can you I know. See. Now my fucking shit is like cracking up, but this trade has, I can literally, I'm going to say this in front of you. This trade has the probability of winning is 99%, and I can give you in return has the probability of winning 99%. Probability of winning 99%. And guess what? You don't guess. You just see. So when our take profit is going to be, it's it's lagging. This will be our first take profit. This will be our first stop loss. This will be our stop loss. There is no other option. This is our take profit. Okay, boys. So looks like there is a bit issue with this, because if this thing comes up over here and then pretty up, there is no issue. It's already calculated. The spread is already calculated. I was like, holy shit, the spread is not calculated. Fuck off. Okay, no problem. I'm completely okay. I just don't want to see now. AUD CAD, beautiful. Wait a minute. AUD CAD. Let me just one more time confirm the stop loss we have added is correct or not. 596 in our trade right now. We are down minus 7%. Sorry, $7. Where can you able to see? No. Now you can able to see. It's just not clearing, right? Hold on. I will just close that portrait thing. Yeah. We're down $6. I turn on the portrait. Beam. Well, I can do one thing, but I can't able to see. Oh yeah, I can able to show you. Yeah, I can able to do that if I just exclude my face. So yeah, stop loss I have added. Suppose I have added, but just wanted to see 0.98 542 0.98. Oh fuck.
It's 2030.
What the fuck is this? Oh yeah, 0.98 596 0.9 98596 98596. Yeah, it's correct. I was like, oh, it's not getting matched, and I'm like, fuck. Alright, boys, you guys are going to see how calm I will be if this trade hit the stop loss. I will be like, we hit the stop. Oh yeah, I have to update to my community. So now look at this. I'm expecting this market is going to go down. That's why it's creating the fears that when it goes up, it just like increases the heartbeat. It's just all done for me. I'm a professional trader, my dear brothers. I am a professional trader. I don't feel, yeah, well, I certainly feel some of the things, but even like as a trader, we have to think like this. Even though we feel fear, we have to do the things which is need to be done. If the stop loss hits, we have to be okay with this. Took, oh no, damn, I have to type this first of all. Took this trade. Biscow. Took this trade. I just don't want. See, I just don't want my trade to hit the stop loss. Sorry. I just don't want my trade to hit my stop loss, my own stop loss, just because of spread got increased, but in actual it haven't hit the stop loss. Are you understanding? That means if the price come up till here and it just hit the stop loss just because spread got wider and then gone to take profit, then that will be shitty thing here. Took this trade. I'm okay, brother. I'm okay. How much I'm going to lose? Let's not consider only $20. Let's consider, imagine we risks. Let's actually do this in front of you all. Let's imagine we risk $1 billion in this trade. Let's actually risk $1 billion in this. No, not 1,000. Who the fuck are you talking about? I want to go more like deep. $1 billion, $1 billion trade. Stop loss is going to be this. What the fuck is this? 1 trillion? Why? Let's reduce 1 0. Yeah, now we're talking, brother. Yeah, look at this now. Look at this. Now we are down. We have risks $35 million. And I'm okay for that. Just imagine, brother, if we will be at this position and if we hit the stop loss, we hit the stop loss. Who cares? We'll find a next trade. How much we're losing? $35 million only. Now it's not actually an only, but we have to disconnect the market. Now this is a full process, like how and what I think and what I actually do. I don't give a fuck about this trade. You know what? I want this trade to hit the stop loss. I really want this trade to fuck my stop loss. And we'll be losing $35 million. Right? Look at this. Right now we are down -$6 million. It's not 35. Yeah, it's $35 million. Right now we are down -$4 million. Do you even understand how big this thing is? This is same trade. This right there is the same exact trade right there. And in one world, someone is losing -$7. How much it? -$10, -$9, $10. And there is a other world that is someone is losing -$7 million in floating. My god, I have to close the reminders because now trading time is over. So I will just not remove all of this. Yeah. The alarm was like, check chart, check chart. Have you got an engulfing? Have you got an engulfing? Have you got cut? So this is it, brother. This right there is it. If you, to be honest with you, if you just connect, if you just get attached to the money, you will never get rich. Because if you really get attached to money, what ends up that you just so get connected to the money that you won't be able to spend it and take the risks that is need to be taken to make more money from it. And if you just won't be able to take the risks, brother, you cook. You won't be able to grow. Now I took the risks. I took the $20 risks in this trade to make $40. If I were attached to the money, holy shit, if I lose $20, I won't be able to make $40. So I will not risk $20. So I won't be able to make $40. So in fact I will be not even growing. And in fact, in this trade right now, this is paper trading, this is not a real life trading, okay? In this trade, instead I will be at a point, instead I will be risking $20. Yeah, I'm talking to myself, I'm just not seeing to my screen, I'm just talking to to my camera, to my own video. Instead I risk $20. I will be at a point that I will be risking $35 million. $35 million. So I'm just increasing the oh, it's so big, it's fucking $35 million. But well, for me right now, it just if I said, oh, hayo gozaimasu, you'll be like, yeah, so what? But because you don't know what the meaning of it. It is a meaning is a good morning in Japanese. Okay, now in front of you, I'm going to lose this trade. Even if I lose this trade, who gives a fuck? Who gives who cares? Who cares? And what will happen? What will happen? If I lose, I lose. I will restart from tomorrow. Again, isn't it? So, I mean, in a nutshell, this is it. Looks like we're going to lose this. And I'm okay with this. I am okay to lose this trade. So we viewed look at this. Now this is literally is it 1 hour candlestick close like this doji. You want to see the software which I have created which shows what is going to happen? I will show you. That is why I'm okay. Who gives a fuck? Who gives a fuck? Look at this now, the software trading things. Yeah, trading software. So now we're just increasing the probability of winning. That's just literally what we're going to do. This is trading software. So what we are looking for, we're looking for sell. We're looking for sell. Do not get angry. Yeah, I mean, you're just not even obeying your own laws, Mac. What the fuck you doing? Let me just take this software right here. Ata. Yeah. Hold on. So now this work of this software is already done. We'll quit this. Okay. So we're looking for sell. What type of trade is this? Is this a Polish pair counter train or train? 80 is a train. We're selling at the lower high. Sorry, bearish of 1 hour. This is exact trade. This is exact pattern. So now at this page, we should select what type of pattern we got. So right now we got this. We got the break. We got the break. We got the retracement. We got that blue candle retrace. We created a doji. We created a doji. So what it does it means? In fact, look, I will show you an example. We have every single thing in our hand. Wait a minute. All time frame were bearish. Yeah. So every single thing was bearish. We can click on this. So I will show you an example. Oh, there is no example taken. But no problem. the problem? If we have the example for this, do we got? No, we don't. We don't have the example. I mean, we have the example. That is how we created this. But I won't track that time. Shit happened. But this is it. Hold on, let me show you again. One last time. Yeah, look at this. We got the break. We got the break. We got the retracement. We got the blue candle retracement. We got the dozy small color body, big upline, big downline. We got the small body, big upline, big downline. And then next what happened? It created that line to the upside. Look at this line. Wait a minute. Open image. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Look at this line. It is creating that line to the upside, my dear brother. It has kind of created that line to the upside. I think so it can go more up till here. And then what happens? It just goes and create a red candle. What is going to get happen now? We can certainly predict. We can't say it's like, well, at the place where I am, I can just say like it is going to do that. It is going to go down. But still, even though I said, I have to consider market. Market moves the way it is, the way it was. We can certainly predict 99.999%. We can't predict 100%. But we are increasing more in prediction that 99.99% is going to create that red candle. As per the pattern, as per the time frame, as per the data we have. So it is going to create the red candle. That is why I'm just so much confidence in this trade. It is going to mess around right here. Because why? Because it have created a bullish engulfing candle. It has to, find the sellers, find this. Now, I think so it's pretty much going to go up and then it's going to get bearish to find the buyers. Once buyers trapped in, then this bank is going to sell the whole thing, sell the whole position. Then the buyers will be like, oh, stop loss is hitting. This buyers converting into sellers getting this and that, and then it is going to be boom, downside. As per what I have. Because look at this, it have created a higher low. Now as per the thing, it have created a higher low to go to the upside. But which doesn't look good to me. Well, to be honest, it looks like it is a higher low to go to the upside like this. But this is also higher low to go to the upside. But it is not confirmed until and unless we have candlestick close above this candle. I don't care about this. I have risked $20 or I have risked $35 million. Either stop loss, either take profit. I don't fucking care about all other things. Give me this. This is how your mindset should be. You freaked out. Now, look at this. Now, brother. If this trade bam like this, I'll be like, holy shit. Yeah, of course, I'm a human. It is going to feel bad. But then, I don't let that feeling control to my next trade. It's all about probability. So, brother, this is what it is. This is like how I manage a trade now. I will just take it 1 or 2 times and I will forget about this. I will be like, I know. This is literally it. So last time we're checking, I'm going to close this video because I have to edit the videos. Edit means I have to add all of this live trading session for every single day. That is, I'm creating the live session trading because there's so much videos out there. I just need to upload it. So I'm going to upload it organized way. A whole trading day, complete trading video for that day. A whole vlog, complete trading vlog plus trading for that day. Also going to get included. That's separate video. Third video is going to be separate. Separate video is going to be needed. I don't know, but we'll see. So let's see the last time this PNL. We are right now $4 negative. Imagine if I'm showing this and it just instantly hit the stop loss -20. Boom. How crazy it will be. And that's what I want. I want the loss. I want the loss so that I can understand, I can figure out, holy shit, what I did wrong over here. I will not repeat that again.
It's 2045.
What I did wrong on Monday, I mean, I was not knowing that I'm doing that wrong thing. But when that stop loss hit on Monday, the 2 days before, I was like, holy shit, this looks wrong. Because we sell at the lowest point, and as per the data, we shouldn't be selling at the lowest point. It tends to hit the stop loss and then hit the take profit. That's exact certain thing happens. Then I'm like, I'm going to check every single thing because I was taking the phone. So I was like, every single time when I come, just because of that mistake, I have avoided 3-4 losses in a row. So I want this trade to hit the stop loss so that I can understand what goes wrong and how we can improve this. All right, boys, we'll come back. Let's see what happens. Let's see not what happens. What I want this trade to hit the stop loss. If it hit the take profit, we'll congratulate. But if it hit the stop loss, we'll congratulate as well. Because we'll learn something new to avoid the future losses. Signing off. Because let's what? We are risking $20 in this trade. We'll be at some point where we'll be literally risking $35 million. And I don't want to lose $35 million just because silly mistake. So I'm just testing the mistake. I'm just finding out the mistake. Like this. Alright, signing off. PC.